Here's the uncomfortable truth about cybersecurity. Vulnerabilities never stop. New CVEs, misconfigurations, third-party bugs. There's always another door to close. If I don't respond fast and systematically, attackers get a head start. That's the problem. So how do I turn chaos into control? I use a simple arc: response, handling, management. Think of it as now, next, always. Response is what I do right now. First, intake, scanners, CVE feeds, bug bounties, vendor emails, my own logs. Then triage. I tag each issue with severity and risk to my business. CVSS is a clue, not the whole story. An 8 on a lab box might matter less than a 6 on a payment API. Next, reproduce and scope. Can I confirm the bug? Which assets are affected? What's the blast radius? Contain quickly. Isolate hosts, block indicators, flip feature flags, roll back versions. Then remediate, patch, reconfigure. Apply WAF rules, apply least privilege policies. Verify, test in staging, run regression checks. Validate against the original proof of concept. Communicate, notify stakeholders. Notify customers if needed. Record what changed and why. Handling is the playbook for the next incident. I write runbooks for common patterns: deserialization bug, kernel 0-day, dependency supply chain issue. I define escalation paths for true 0 days: who's on call, who can approve risk, who talks to legal and PR. I practice with tabletop exercises so panic doesn't have to be part of the plan. Management is how I stay ready always. I keep an accurate asset inventory: cloud, endpoints, SaaS, containers. I track software bills of materials so when a library pops in the news, I know exactly where it lives. I set patch cadences, like 24 hours for critical internet-facing, 72 hours for internal. I use automation to route findings, open tickets, and verify deployment. And I measure what matters: mean time to remediate, patch coverage, number of exceptions, repeat findings. If a metric doesn't drive action, I drop it. Here's the payoff: faster response shrinks attacker opportunity. Clear handling slashes confusion and burnout. Strong management turns surprise into routine. I reduce business risk, meet compliance with less drama, and protect trust, the most valuable asset I've got. If you want a starting checklist, try this: know your assets. Prioritize by business risk, not headlines. Patch what you can, shield what you can't. Verify every fix. Write it down, automate it, and rehearse. Vulnerabilities won't stop, but with response, handling, and management, I don't need them to. I just need to be ready.